Hello again, traders. Doing trade once again from DRFX, Swing Trading Mentoring. Taking another look at the situation on the Aussie Swiss franc, where yesterday we had basically made assessment that the market had formed a consolidation setup on the 4-hour chart, and that what was possible was that the market could continue this bullish movement that leads to a breakout above resistance, or we could actually see the market hit resistance and then start to U-turn and provide us with a bearish movement that takes us back down to support. So those are basically the two possibilities that we could see take place on this currency pair. Moving forward, you can see that the market did continue the bullish movement, providing us with a strong bullish signal that took us to the resistance area here. But as you can see, the market has actually started to U-turn, and this could actually be the early stage of the formation of this bearish reversal that takes us back down towards the support boundary. Now, once again, in terms of the types of signals that we could see that leads to the start of this bearish reversal, one of the possibilities that is most common is that of a double top formation, where the market basically forms two evening stars side by side that lead to the start of the reversal. So here you can see that the market looks as if it has formed an evening star formation here. So what could happen is that instead of continuing the movement bearish right now, it could actually pull back a little bit for a little while before U-turning to provide us with another evening star that would complete the formation of a double top formation. That would then be the signal that leads to the start of the bearish movement. So that is one possibility in terms of what we could see that leads to the start of the reversal. Another possibility is that of a bear cone head and shoulders pattern, where the market will form this reversal pattern to indicate the start of the bearish movement by forming a left tip, center tip, and a right tip to indicate the transition from an uptrend to a downtrend that confirms the start of the bearish movement. So here you can see that the market has not really provided much in terms of a left tip, but for all intents and purposes, this would be the left tip. This U-turn that is taking place now would be the right tip, would be the center tip, sorry. And what we would need here is for the market to pull back a little bit, then rally for a short period, and then U-turn to provide us with the right tip and a strong bearish signal to indicate the continuation of the movement that would take us down towards the support boundary. So these are the two main possibilities in terms of what we could see right now based on what we're seeing. We could actually see a double top formation, either a double top formation formed by two evening stars side by side, or we could actually have the market form a bear cone setup with the market providing us with a center tip, left tip, and a right tip to complete the formation and start the movement back down to the support boundary. If you have any questions, as usual, you can let me know in terms of how to identify consolidation patterns, as well as how to identify the types of candlestick formations that are more likely to lead to reversals and entry opportunities compared to the ones that are a little bit more risky. So that is very important to make that distinction, because weak signals can look tempting, especially if they provide us with a small stop loss. But the risk element of these signals is that because they're small, they are easily susceptible to reversals that can easily take away our stop losses. So it's very important to make that distinction and to patiently wait until the market provides us with the strongest signals. So until next time, traders, happy trading.